Come again to another Tuesday of PHMLS Brokers Briefing, no? So, as we promised last week, our topic tonight is all about why global markets protect brokers with MLS systems. Again, why global markets protect brokers with MLS systems. Okay? So, bago sa lahat, allow me to greet everyone. Happy New Year's, Year of the Fire Horse. Okay, so a little bit muna tayo. Feng Shui muna tayo, no? So, I made few slides about what is this year of the horse now para naman sa mga at least may guidance tayo for this year. So year of the fire horse, it no it says speed, no? Dapat kabayo mabilis, speed. Dapat palagi tayong mabilis, courageous tayo this year. And it's good year for expansion. At saka it's a very good year for us to be visible. Wala yung patago-tago, wala yung pa-average or mediocre, no? So in Chinese metaphysics, the horse represent movement, action, travel, growth, market activity. Okay? So the fire elements represents visibility, branding, and technology. Hold on. Ano ko lang yung isang mic ko. And then passions, reputations. So now let's connect this with our practice real estate. So far, equals visibility equals marketing power. This year rewards those yung mga nakikita, no? Visible. So if you are quiet in your marketing approach, you will be invisible. So maiiwan ka. So if you show up consistently on your social media, on your meeting, in any networking, GMM, etc., or Zoom, in active collaboration, in business networking, so you ride the fire energy of the horse. So for MLS, more listing online, more broker collaboration, more digital presence, more system use. So fire years favor our platform, our digital or any digital platform out there, social media, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. No? So MLS systems thrives in fire years, fire of the horse, fire horse, because they increase visibility. Again, visibility. So horse equals movement equals transaction. Horse dislike stagnation. So, Sir Marky, bawal yung patulog-tulog, bawal yung procrastination, manana system, mamaya na lang. So, dapat pabilisan, no? This is not the year to hoarding listing, delay decision making, set on inventory. This is the year for us to move properties, collaborate faster, close faster, turn on inventory faster, no? In fire horse energy, speed beats perfection. Yung mamaya na i-perfect ko muna, we need to learn from the process. Failure is part of learning. So okay lang magkamali, no? So speed beats perfection. Collaboration beats isolation. So for us broker, don't keep your listing tago, no? Share it in our MLS. Let the market move it. So if we are 100 in our MLS community, so the moment broker Tolentino share 5 listing, 100 fellow brokers tulong-tulong market your property. Okay? So if we advertise, share our individual website, so kasama ang listing ni broker Tolentino. Diba? So share listing, more market movement. High risk, high reward year. Yes, it's not all up. No, may up and down din. So fire horse energy can also mean aggressive buyer. Kasi pa-aggressive lahat ngayon, di ba? Competitive market. Kasi hindi tayo ang natutulog lang, hindi tayo ang nag-active lang, marami. Fast pace, fast price movement, emotional decisions. So, anong gagawin? What we can do? Let's balance it with a FIRE with proper due diligence, proper documentation, proper pricing studies, highest and best use analysis. This is where you, all of us here as professional brokers win. No? Kahit yung mga RESP natin, real estate salesperson natin, we need to onboard them in our every Tuesday meeting para using third-party approach. Tayo na ang nagtuturo sa kanila. They are learning from us, from our experience, from our failures, from our sharing. So to end our Feng Shui, Firehorse this year rewards brokers who move fast, market smart, and collaborate openly. The Firehorse does not wait. If you stay visible, lalo na sa internet, strategic, and connected via collaboration with fellow brokers, you will not chase the market. The market will chase you. Tayo ang lalapitan. Law of attraction. Okay? So I hope I'm able to share something about Firehorse. So again, good evening everyone. This is your broker Samuel Lau. As promised, tonight we're gonna focus on our week 7 topic about MLS system. So why global market protect brokers using MLS system? Ito yung modules natin the last 8-week series, no? So we did our diagnostic to ourselves, we did our mind setting, we did our buyer's behavior, life cycle, listing, data credibility, solo, risk last week. This week 7, we discuss about global MLS standard. Kasi tayo, we always benchmark in the global market. And next week, our last topic is all about the system and business ownership. So, tonight, the objectives after 20 minutes, all of us here will understand how MLS become global standard. Realize cooperation, increase deal velocity. See why commission dispute are rarely happen abroad, which we want to happen to us na walang away, no? Recognize structures and protect fellow brokers, especially when we do collaboration, co-broker agreement. And feel that MLS is an alignment. Again, MLS is an alignment, not innovation. Because it's been there. We need to align our practice standard iba-iba pa. Okay? So, title again, Why Global Market Protect Brokers with MLS Systems. Why do brokers in the US, Canada, Australia, Singapore rarely fight over listings? Bakit kaya? Of course, other than they've been in the practice and they've been advanced in a system and all of those innovation, no? So, we just follow them. But we will discuss that in the future slide. So it's not because they are less competitive. It's because they are more structured in their practice. So definition, what is MLS? Stands for Multiple Listing System, a shared database where all of us listing are structured. Cooperation is standardized. Compensation is pre-declared. Kumbaga, black and white, transparency. Rules are enforced. Again, rules are enforced. MLS is not about sharing listing. MLS is about protecting our own transaction, our own collaboration. Dapat malinaw from the start our rules. MLS provide us all, no? As long we follow our rules and standard practice. So what happened in the global MLS market? In a matured MLS market, sabihin natin matured because tayo nga wala pa tayong national MLS, no? We're hoping our PH MLS, that's our vision to become a big community to connect all licensed real estate broker nationwide so we can have our national MLS using our PH MLS. Matured MLS market listings are shared automatically. Every time they get a new listing, they automatically upload in MLS in the cloud para wala na yung hard copy. Commission is predefined. 3% or 5%. It's been noted. Sharing, it's been noted also in advance. We have a standard. Data standards are mandatory. So, ano yung dapat ilagay sa MLS, yung location, yung area, yung basic info, anong dapat? Dispute are very rare. Why? Because we always meet and discuss our MLS rules, our standard in practice, our proper due diligence as practicing licensed real estate broker in the Philippines. Okay? That's why we always have this kind of learning every Tuesday para magiging more or less sharing our practice and standard practice, no? Cooperation become normal because we see each other every week. Competitions happen, yes, but competition happens in service, not secrecy. Okay? So collaboration. So without MLS, these are things gonna happen. Palagi tayong parang paranoid, takot tayo, guarded listing. Kaya we hoard, patago, tuloy-tuloy the property owner is canceled our ATS kasi ang bagal natin to perform 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, walang result yung listing. Inconsistent data. Yes, you know, lahat naman tayo may talent, may wisdom. But as now and then, what is constant in this world is change. So that's why we have this meeting to sharing and everything and Q&A. So we learn from fellow brokers. Commission confusion. Sabi nga ng iba, sir, pwede ba 3-way tayo, 4 ways tayo, 5 ways tayo? Mahirap yan. But in our practice here, it's only clarify. Buyer side ka, seller side ka. Ilan kayo, ilan kami, 50-50, bahala na tayo sa team natin. Duplicate marketing. Distrust among brokers. But if we meet regularly and we share regularly our cooperation, our standard practice, trust is given because we always see and we always talk each other. So with MLS structure, with system structured, it faster, mas mabilis yung matching natin of our buyer requirements, match with the listing of fellow broker. Very clear, compensation, transparent. From the start, alam natin na may ATS, alam natin yung collaboration, yung broker agreement, alam natin yung standard. It's downloadable in our system. Better exposure because kahit isa lang ang nag-upload, but hundreds of fellow broker subscriber tulong-tulong marketed broker Carol listing. Kung may listing si Carol sa Mactan, the moment she upload, lalabas yan sa mga marketing website natin isa-isa. So every time all of us promote our website, kasama ang listing ni Carol. Kasama ang listing ng lahat ng mga subscriber. Even Carol is based in Cebu. But the moment Carol advertise the website, attract buyers on her landing website, mababrowse, makikita ng buyer not only the listing of Carol, pati na ang mga listing ng fellow brokers nationwide. But the beauty, isa lang ang broker profile. Since the buyer visit Carol's website, it is only broker Carol. Diba? Kaya better exposure. Tsaka very clean cooperation, malinaw. Less ego, less pride, less away. Structures reduce friction, kaya mabilis ang takbo. Kasi kumbaga structured na yung sharing, structured na yung collaboration. So wala na yung mas mabilis. The moment I share my website, kasama na yung listing nyo. The moment you up your website, automatically shared to us. The moment vice versa, they shared, papasok sa website mo. We create the rules, we create the system in real-time collaboration. Kumbaga, we create the system. Again, system, MLS system. So this is not a Western idea. But MLS, it's a cultural, it's an economic, it's a big help to us, especially practicing real estate professionals. Market evolves towards transparency, data standards, cooperation among us, and protection mechanism. Kaya Professional markets don't rely on trust alone. They rely on the rules. Kaya in our MLS, the moment you subscribe, nandyan nakasulat. Don't advertise your property for sale, for rental leasing, if you don't honor 50-50 collaboration. Sasabihin ba ng isang broker, sabihin ni broker A, Sam, can I advertise pero I am one broker away? So what do you mean I am one broker away? Can I advertise and say 3 ways? No. You talk to your fellow co-broker. Like me, I have my associate broker in my realty office. But whatever listed in me, in my realty office, kahit I have co-broker, kahit I have 3 agents on that listing, the moment I advertise it in our MLS, I will honor 50-50 sharing. If the commission is 5%, 2.5, 2.5. If the commission is 3%, 1.5, 1.5. So, ganun lang kasimple para mas mabilis, no? But sometimes there are case-to-case, but that's off the court. Offline na tayo dyan, no? Kayo na mag-uusap dyan. But in our standard, we prepare 50-50. Kahit na iba to ni Broker B kay broker from Manila para to assist in projects based in Makati. Kahit project selling yan. Since if I ask a fellow broker to assist in other region or in other city, we need to honor 50-50. Rental leasing and others, no? So why broker abroad don't fight? Di naman na hindi nag-away. Alam ko may nag-away din, no? But because minimize lang. Why na-minimize or to avoid fight? Because compensation is systemized. Na pag-usapan, nabanggit ko na earlier, no? Cooperation is expected. Nabanggit ko na rin kanina, no? Violations have consequences. Well, of course, hindi pa natin na-experience yan. Masunurin naman lahat tayo dito. Of course, lalo na paglagay natin sa description, rules. Walang direct contact, walang email kasi it will be shared to fellow brokers. Walang watermark, walang, kumbaga, because what we uploaded, expect it will be shared to the site of Carol, to the site of Dennis, to the site of Marky. So dapat wala yung contact number mo, wala kasi nandoon na yan eh. When buyer visit your website, nandoon na yun, ang laki na nga ng mga profile mo, contact number mo. Kaya let's avoid, no? Once we see those things or nakita nyo, report to admin in PHMLS admin, and we can have may due process. We can call attention, baka nakalimutan lang, may warning, may second and third, hanggang suspension, hanggang termination. Kumbaga, from the subscription. So they don't waste energy on listing hoarding, deal poaching, endless reposting wars. No? When you say endless reposting, lalo na yung mga nasa Facebook tayo o iba social media, di ba? Post tayo ngayon. Next week after, post ulit, repost ulit, repost ulit. Here, one time you advertise, it become a digital asset. Okay? It become digital. It's been there kahit tulog tayo 24/7. As long you don't delete, it's been there in the global web, no? Nakikita in the internet world. So, this is why we created the Philippines Multiple Listings Service, no? PHMLS in short. Not to change our culture, but to align it with our global standard. Structured listing format, cooperation framework, standardized visibility, walang lamangan. I'll tell you, because what is in my website content, kahit bago pa lang nag-join si Carol, ang content ng website ni Carol, tsaka content ng website ko, tsaka content ng website ng other subscriber, we all have the same listing inventories. So, pasipagan na lang in promotion. What if ako mahina sa digital marketing, but I have several direct listing, being senior in practice, dami ko ng kakilala gustong mag-liquidate ng asset. I'm on my 70s na. Kausap ko isang broker H. Sabi niya, Sam, I don't know that one. I'm not picky. But I have several listing from my network. On my 70 ba naman, dami na sa mga batchmate ko, they wanted to unload or liquidate, enjoy the money. Sabi ko, you hire a staff, or one of your agent attend here para gawin mong assistant, PA mo, to upload your listing. And kami naman dito, bago pa sa si broker Charlie, I don't have listing. Tsaka hindi ako marunong pa mag due diligence, kaya takot akong mag-solicit pa ng listing. I don't have experience, kakapasa ko pa lang. But again, Broker Charlie, the moment you join, you can aggressively market your brokercharlie.com. You market all the listing of your fellow brokers, your fellow collaborator. So you market, you get leads, and endorse it, collaborate it with broker H, broker B, broker D, lahat ng mga experience, season, senior in practice. Nakuha natin? Or mas mabilis ako if you narinig nyo yun, that's a keyword business model. So here, to start your PHMLS, we offer this one, parang tulong na rin to just for ano lang to ha, just for kumbaga for to help us expand our broker network nationwide. The PHMLS independent broker package benefits are: Broker A, the moment you join, you will have your own internet presence in the form of your personal marketing and landing website. It could be subdomain or you buy your own brand, domain name or your realty name. Your website is searchable 24/7, MLS listing. Buyer can find you. Broker to broker listing collaboration is in real time. Kahit bago pa si Broker Charlie, automatic nandoon na yung hundreds or thousands of listing from fellow brokers in the resale market, rental leasing market, projects from developers, and ROPA, foreclosed assets from the lending company or banks. CRM tools, hindi mo na kailangan mag-subscribe another CRM. Kasama na sa back office sa website mo with your 1,000, the panel, lead panels, monitoring, and action. Broker directory, kasama na dyan, you can access brokers in Bohol, brokers in Metro Manila, brokers in Mindanao. If you want to collaborate and you have specific requirements na hindi mo nakita, but you want them to search personally or talk personally. So you can see all our subscriber. So and it's growing. Every month it's growing, no? Training, tools, downloadable real estate forms. Kasama yan sa benefits. On top of your 1,000, it's been there already. Lalo na itong every Tuesday natin na sharing. Multiple income channel. You can make money in your co-brokers. You can make money with the referrals. You can make money in the rentals, ROPA. And with your 1,000, you don't need an IT. You don't need a programmer or another technical to support, manage, etc. your website. Because with your 1,000, it's ready, turnkey. In just a day after, you will have your website, functional marketing website with your brand, your own internet identity. Zero tech, zero IT requirements, walang overhead. So 1,000 a month, may MLS access, marketing, landing site, CRM, training. Exclusive, hindi kasama if you buy your own brand like samuellau.com or laurealty.com. So plus a one-time setup fee lang, no? One time lang yan. After that, it's only 1,000. Promo rate natin. You pay monthly or you pay 6 months with 1 month free or you pay 12 months with 3 months free. We also have this service offered to our fellow broker na mag-scale up. When you scale up, plano ni Broker Charlie to set up his own Charlie Brokerage with 20 agents, okay? RESP. So, in this PH Realty office, kung magpagawa siya ng website niya, it could cost Charlie 50,000 plus minus, but isang website lang yan. Hindi pa dynamic. If it's dynamic MLS, it could be 500,000. But here, with your 3,000 subscription, Charlie, you got your one principal website plus email. So, Charlie Brokerage or charlierealty.com. 20 sub website para sa 20 agents mo and marketing email. Centralized listing. Once your secretary upload SMDC, Shang, Rockwell, automatic, the 20 agents website automatically filled. Nandoon na yung inventory. nandoon din yung automatic listing distribution to all agent site, CRM, lead management for office and agents, blog, articles, market news, training hubs. So you can create, this is for your internal realty. It's a system for internal. This is not for sharing by other brokers, for the realty alone. So you can have your all pole brand. So cost only 3,000 for a 21 website, one-time setup fee. Okay, so again, if the global standard protects broker, why would we resist our structures, no? This MLS system, which been maturely used in the global market, we're trying to copy and practice it internally in the Philippines to create this MLS culture, MLS community. So next week is our last topic for this series. You will understand more the ownership. Bakit ba kailangan? Sa totoo, 1,000 is nothing to fellow brokers. 12,000 a year is nothing to fellow broker. It's only a closing incentives. We have a closing incentive of 20, 30, 50. But here is just for our what we call subscription domain name, no? Hosting lang yan. What is important here is the system, the culture, the community of collaboration. Because why we created this one as a legacy? Because we wanted to create a real-time 24/7 collaboration among licensed broker nationwide so we can practice truly as a practicing broker with a PRC to market Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao properties. And I don't need to set up office in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, even I'm in Cebu, because I need only to ask fellow brokers like you to help bring more brokers. Why? The more you bring brokers, let's say, you bring broker from the Baguio, you bring broker from Gensan, and now that opens our business in Baguio and Gensan. That broker Baguio, broker Gensan will fill in, magpasok ng inventories of resale, projects, rental leasing, ROPA in Baguio and Gensan. Vice versa, we bring back collaboration to broker Baguio, broker Gensan. So, every new broker joining our community, it is our, not me, our, you and me, us all, it is our business expansion. It is our business expansion. So, walang greedy-greedy dito. Tulong-tulong tayo. It's one of us. The moment we ask somebody to join our community, you and me and all of us are expanding our business nationwide in terms of real-time collaboration. And yours truly, I just created the system to make all that in reality. Okay? So next week, that's my promise to end the 8-week series. Next week, we close the series with a powerful shift, no? From broker, you to become business owner. Because if you're a broker, you stop selling, income stop. If you are an independent broker, you're a self-employed, you stop selling because you're sick, you stop selling because whatever happened, your income stop. But if you create a real estate business with a system online, nagmasyal ka, you stop, nagbakasyon ka sa Canada, sa Korea for a week, business continue. Why? We discuss that next week. Why listing should be treated as a digital asset, different between income and infrastructure, how system create leverage, why serious brokers stop trading like for attention, and many more, no? Hustle creates income, system create ownership. So again, hope I can see you again on Tuesday, and let's grow our community. As I said, every time you invite, you're helping yourself. You're not helping me, you're helping yourself. Every time I invite, every time I share and talk here, I am helping you, I'm helping also myself, no? So, para ganado kayo, glimpse lang on March and April. Tapos na tayo sa mindset. Tapos na tayo sa system on our own. Mindset training. Kaya we are ready to work fast. March and April, our 8-week next topic would focus on due diligence, collaboration, scalable brokerage. So week 1, foundation of professional brokerage. Validate, how to validate before you market a property. Authority to sell, your first protection. That's our topic week 1. Week 2, MLS and smart collaboration. Why global market protect brokers? What to check before collaboration. Week 3, handling difficult listing. Selling with multiple ears. Managing informal settlers professionally. Well, week 4, legal structures. And, preventing boundary dispute. Selling corporate owned property. Paano ba? Week 5, advanced selling strategy. Paano ba magbenta sa mga developer? Paano magbenta sa mga investors? Week 6, protections and fraud. Avoiding fake sellers. Identity tip. How to. Preventing commission dispute. How to avoid. Week 7, brokerage growth, passive income. Active versus passive income as a broker. Para naman we'll work for money, and let's talk how we can be more creative to let that money work for us. Again, we all work for money. This time naman, pag-usapan natin how that money work for us. Setting up your own realty office. Week 8, master level brokerage, selling difficult property lies with easement problems and restriction, or how to prevent deal, no? So this is not just for next month, March and April. It's not just a training. This is building you as all a professional standard for broker practice. Sharing tayo. It could be me talking, or I'll be inviting other broker to talk and share about this. So in PHMLS, the system that support that standard. Okay. So again, this is your friend, fellow broker, Samuel Lau.